Do it again. Make that sound. What's the sound of an elephant?
Oh.
What does the elephant do? Come on. Come on. How about, what does the giraffe have?
No.
What does the doggy say?
Woof woof.
Does the doggy say meow?
No.
Does the cat say woof woof?
No.
Does the duck say moo?
No.
What does it say?
Cow says moo. Moo.
How about the cat? What does the cat say?
No.
What does the ducky say?
Yeah.
What does the ducky say?
Quack.
How about, what does the elephant say? How about the lion?
Wah.
How about the bear?
Wah.
How about the monkey?
Wah. Wah.
How about the giraffe?
No.
What about the rabbit?
He hop. He hop.
How about the frog?
Rabbit.
You're so good, Jada. Can you sing Twinkle for me?
Slicker, door, have a bird, purple, eat the hut. Slicker, door, have a bird,